Before we dive in, if this video gets you thinking like a security professional, imagine what a full guide could do. Think like a CISSP teaches you the senior security mindset that separates candidates who pass from experienced engineers who fail. Reason like a security leader, not just a technician. $25 at zerodaylabs.tech, link in the description. Your phone buzzes. 6-digit code. You type it in. Account locked. Funds gone. You had two-factor authentication turned on. So what happened? If you are using SMS codes, you might be one phone call away from losing everything. Here is why. 0-day labs. Train. Test. Certify. Let us get two definitions straight. Authentication is proving who you are. Authorization is what you are allowed to do once you have proven it. Multi-factor authentication means you prove identity using at least two different factor types, and every factor falls into one of three classic categories, and these are exam gold. First, something you know. Passwords, PINs, security questions. Second, something you have. A smart card, hardware token, or authenticator app. Third, something you are. Biometrics, fingerprint, face scan, iris, voice. Security Plus and CISSP exams also test two extended factors. Somewhere you are, your physical location, and something you do, behavioral biometrics, like how you type or move a mouse. Now here is the most important exam trap in this entire topic. A password plus a security question is not multi-factor authentication. Both inputs are something you know. That is one factor. Two inputs from the same category. The exam will test this. It is a classic trap. The rule is simple. MFA requires two different factor types. So why is SMS not enough? Here is how it works. You log in. The server sends a 6-digit code to your phone. You enter it. Access granted. Sounds secure. Let us break it. Attack 1, SIM swapping. An attacker calls your mobile carrier, impersonates you, and convinces them to port your number to a SIM the attacker controls. From that moment, every SMS code you are supposed to receive goes to the attacker instead. This is the dominant real-world attack against SMS two-factor authentication. It is used in account takeover and crypto theft constantly. Attack 2. SS7 protocol weaknesses. SS7 is the decades-old signaling protocol that routes every phone call and text message globally. Nation-state actors and sophisticated attackers can exploit SS7 to intercept your messages in transit. No malware on your phone required. The vulnerability is in the network itself. Attack 3. Phishing and real-time relay. The attacker builds a fake login page that looks exactly like your bank or email provider. You enter your password, captured. You enter your SMS code, captured. The attacker immediately replays both to the real site within the 30-second window. SMS codes are phishable. They do nothing against an adversary in the middle. Attack 4. Mobile malware that silently forwards your incoming texts to the attacker. Here is a critical exam reference. NIST. Special Publication 863B. The United States government has officially flagged SMS and PSTN-based authentication as restricted. When federal agencies are told to move away from something, pay attention. Write down NIST 863B. It is exam relevant. Here is an important nuance. SMS MFA is still better than no MFA. The goal is not to turn it off. The goal is to upgrade when you can. Flashcard. SMS is phishable, SIM swappable, and interceptable. So, what do you use instead? Here is the MFA strength ladder, weakest to strongest. Level 1, SMS and voice codes. Better than nothing, but phishable and SIM swappable. If this is all you have, keep it. Just know the risk. Level 2, TOTP Authenticator apps. Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, Authy. Codes are generated directly on your device, immune to SIM swapping, but still phishable via relay. An attacker can still capture and replay them in real time. Level 3. Push notifications with number matching. more resistant to basic phishing because you have to match a number displayed on screen. But this level is vulnerable to push bombing, also called MFA fatigue. The attacker floods your phone with approval requests at 2 in the morning, hoping you tap approve just to make it stop. Know this term. It appears on certification exams. Level 4, phishing-resistant MFA. FIDO2, WebAuthn. Hardware keys like YubiKey. Platform passkeys. This is the gold standard and where the entire industry is heading. Here is why FIDO2 is fundamentally different. The cryptographic key validates the actual origin of the website it is talking to. If you are on a fake site, the hardware key simply does not respond. The relay attack fails by design. The human can be tricked. The cryptography cannot. One-line takeaway. FIDO2 and passkeys are the only MFA methods that make phishing technically impossible. Know your three-factor categories cold. Something you know, something you have, something you are. Spot the same factor trap. A password plus a PIN is one factor, not two. Know that SMS is the weakest MFA form. SIM swap, SS7, phishing relay. Know these terms. TOTP, push bombing, MFA fatigue, FIDO2, WebAuthn, passkeys, NIST 863B. Sample exam question. A user authenticates with a password and a 4-digit PIN. How many factors is this? Pause. The answer is 1. Both are something you know. 1 factor, 2 inputs. Classic trap. If the way I broke that down clicked for you, that is exactly how I teach exam strategy in Think Like a CISSP. It is a mindset guide for thinking the way the exam expects you to think, not just memorizing definitions. $25 at zerodaylabs.tech. Link in the description. If you are prepping for Security Plus or CISSP, head to zerodaylabs.tech. We use adaptive practice exams that learn your weak spots and drill you on exactly what you need, so you spend less time grinding and more time actually moving toward your certification. Train, test, certify. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs this. See you in the next one.